Hi, greetings everyone. In this video we are going to see how to assign the resources with the effort driven and non-effort driven scheduling. In project effort driven scheduling means a task's total work stays the same as you add or remove the resources. It's the norm because you often add resources to a schedule or a task to get the work done in the shorter duration. However, meetings are one common example of tasks that don't use effort-driven scheduling. Meetings don't get shorter when you add people attendee list. The duration stays the same, so the total work for the task increases. So let's look at the identify physical requirement task. When I select it, you can see the duration is 20 days and the effort driven checkbox is turned on. Well, I have got the relocation project manager assigned, and with the duration of the 20 days, the work is 160 days. Well, let's see what happens when I add the relocation assistant to this task. I click the resource name cell, click the down arrow and select the relo assistant. Now when I click on OK, you can see a couple of things happen. First of all, work gets divided between the project manager and the assistant. They both get 80 hours of work. The total work is still 160 hours, but the duration actually shortens to 10 days. Now let's look at a non-effort driven task present to the management. Well, that's a meeting. So when I select that, I am going to turn off the effort driven checkbox. You can see that the project manager is assigned, but I am going to assign a few other attendees. In this case, the CEO, the CFO, the CIO, and finally the office manager. I click on OK. You can see that the duration is still 80 hours. So now let me switch quickly to the task usage view, and here you can see that each person has assigned 80 hours, but now the total work hour has changed. It's gone to 480 hours. You can also tell the project whether you want new tasks to be effort driven or not. To do that, go to the File tab and choose the options. Then go to the Schedule category, and here in the scheduling option for this project section, you can see there's a checkbox, new tasks are effort driven. So when it's turned on, any new task you create are effort driven, which is usually what you want. But if you don't want them effort driven, just turn the checkbox off. Effort driven scheduling determines that the project does when you add or remove the resources from a task. If the work increases and decreases as you add or remove the resources, it doesn't use the effort driven scheduling. If the duration changes when you add or remove the resources, the task uses effort driven scheduling. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.